Panel builders, here's a question. How can you conquer today's challenges while also getting your business ready for tomorrow? Here's how. Future-proof it with a partner who knows your business, inside and out. And a partner program that provides tools, solutions, and training to help you innovate and develop your company. With the mySchneider Panel Builders program, you can collaborate within an open ecosystem to take on more ambitious projects. Tackle last-minute changes efficiently with simplified tools and well-structured support. Expand your business into maintenance and digital services. And get rave reviews from your customers. So, panel builders, are you ready? Join the mySchneider Panel Builders program today.